everyone. Let me tell you a story. Yesterday was a very special day. It was Sunday. I woke up very early because I felt so excited. I love Sundays. Yay! I saw my human packing his blue bag. He put plastic water bottles and my favorite toys inside. I wondered, where are we going today? I knew it was an adventure. Then, my human put my blue harness on me. Click. Now I looked like a brave explorer. I stood by the door and waited. I was ready to go. We got into the car. I sat inside my carrier to be safe. I looked out the window. The green trees moved very fast. It was a long ride. Finally, we arrived at the park. Wow! It was huge and very green. The sky was blue and the sun was shining brightly. It was beautiful. I stepped out of the car. My paws touched the green grass. It felt soft, cool, and a little ticklish. It felt much better than the hard floor at home. Soft step. There were many flowers in the park. I smelled a big yellow sunflower. It smelled sweet and fresh. Nature smells amazing. We walked along the long path. I held my tail high in the air. I walked like a strong little tiger. I felt like the king of the park. Meow. Suddenly, I saw a giant tree. It was an oak tree. I used my sharp claws to climb up the trunk. Climbing is very easy for a cat like me. I sat on a high branch and looked down. Everything looked so small from up here. I felt very tall and powerful. I am the king. Meow. After climbing down, I saw some birds. They were fat gray pigeons eating seeds on the ground. They looked very tasty. I wanted to catch them. I crouched down very low in the grass. My belly touched the ground. I was very, very quiet. Shh. 1, 2, 3. Jump. I jumped into the air, but the birds were too fast. They flew away into the sky. Flap, flap, flap. I missed them. I felt a little sad and disappointed. I am a good hunter, but birds are very fast. Oh well. Walking and hunting made me hungry. We stopped for a picnic on the grass. My human ate a delicious sandwich. It smelled like cheese. I watched him eat. Yum! Yum! My human gave me some water in my blue travel bowl. I was very thirsty. I drank it all very fast. The water was cool and nice. Then, a big surprise happened. I met a new friend. But it was a dog. A giant yellow dog. At first, I was very scared. My heart beat fast. I hid behind my human's legs. The dog wagged his tail. He looked happy. He wanted to say hello to me. I decided to be brave. I walked forward. I touched his big nose with my small nose. He was a friendly dog. We became friends. After that, I saw a beautiful butterfly. It was orange and black, just like my fur. It was flying low near the ground. Oh! I chased the butterfly. I ran and ran across the field. The wind blew in my face. I felt so free and happy. But then, oh no, trouble. I did not see the mud puddle near the water. I slipped, splat. I fell right into the dirty mud. Look at my poor paws. My beautiful white paws became dirty brown paws. They were wet and sticky. It felt terrible. Ew! Yuck! My human looked at me with big eyes. He said, "Oh no, Leo, you are a mess." He was not happy about the mud. Uh-oh. He tried to clean my paws with a tissue. I pulled my paw away. Don't touch me, I thought. I did not like it. I wanted to run again. I shook my paw hard. Shake, shake. Mud flew everywhere. On the grass, on my human. I just wanted to be clean again. The sun went down. It was time to go home. I sat in the car wrapped in a towel. I was very tired and sleepy. When we got home, the worst thing happened. My human gave me a bath. I hated the water. It was wet and scary. Let me out. Finally, the bath was over. My human dried me with a soft towel. I looked like a fluffy burrito. The towel was warm and cozy. After the bath, look at me. My fur was so clean, soft, and shiny again. I smelled like shampoo. I felt brand new. Sparkle, sparkle. Because I was a brave cat today, I got a special dinner. Fish. I ate everything on my plate very fast. It was delicious. In the evening, I sat on the sofa next to my human. My body was heavy. My eyes felt sleepy. The adventure was over. I thought about my day. I remembered the green grass, the friendly dog, and the orange butterfly. It was fun. I walked to my bed and curled up. My legs were tired from running all day. I stretched one last time. Stretch. I closed my eyes. I was safe and warm. I slept very well last night. That was my weekend adventure. It was a great day. Thank you for listening to my story. Good night, everyone.